There's a Qantas Boeing 747-400 over there. That's getting ready to, that's going to taxi to take off. I don't know what the registration is, I'll just get the registration of it. And that one is VH-OEG, which is actually my favourite Qantas Boeing 747-400. This is built. That one was built in 2003. This is Tigerair, VH-VNQ. Airbus A320 is going to take off.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Tiger Air flight TT612 to the Gold Coast is urgently paging Patrick Crowley. If you are in or around the terminal, we kindly ask you to present yourself to gate staff at gate arch 59.
You can see on the plane there, it just says, it used to say Tiger Airways, so they've covered up in it Tiger Air. Oh.